Hey friends, good day. So let me show you where I am. I'm posting quite a bit as I go along. So that's my temporary storage of materials that I'm using for my cargo adventure trailer conversion as well as for work. Lots of stuff, right? But I got a lot of stuff off the floor actually as I'm building. So let me show you my shelf. Kind of guess what I'm going to be storing there. I may have already revealed it, I don't recall, but I got a lot of materials and tools up there, temporarily stored. One great thing, I had small pieces of cedar boards, picket fence left, rather than, I think I already mentioned, if you see my other videos, paying 3-4 times, I think it's more than that, for already pre-cut planks, cedar planks. I'm using these pickets, and it's lighter, much less expensive. It's not perfect because you can see some of the seams, okay, because you got to go through the stacks of cedar pickets to find the ones that are straight as possible and nicely cut. Then when it dries, you know, it deforms a little bit. So I had a bunch of pieces left and used it for the shelving. I routed each of the edges all the way around to give a nice smooth look, as that's what I do. So saving not only money in doing this with leftovers, but the weight consideration. Cedar is very light, and for the type of applications you may need something, you may not need something super stealth strong, like for shelving right here or on the walls, which is fine, right? All right, so here's my kitchen counter build. This is something new. This is my Kraus Sink. I didn't screw up on the cut. It fit perfectly, of course, using the template. This is meant for undermount. This is wood. I'm not gonna do undermount. There is a lip on it, which works just fine if you cut near perfect opening, so it stays on top. After I finish this table, sanding it with very fine sandpaper and just putting a polyurethane coat, I'm just gonna keep the natural look of it. This is not one full piece by all means, and we all know that, large boards, it's not. Okay, these are joined together several pieces, okay, at the factory. They cut it smooth as possible. I don't know what type of joint finish they use. They may use biscuits like I did and glue it together and put clamp on it and fasten it. Okay, this is 2 pieces. This is ready for painting type of boards for shelving. So I put 2 pieces, a 20-inch and a 16-inch, together using biscuit joiner and glue clamps and putting it together, and I managed to, with a lot of work, get this angle. This was very tough for me. I didn't use my brain like I should have. I could have used a Pythagorean theorem, you know, measured the base, the height, and so forth, but trying to get the center, you know, equal distance, that was the toughie for me. So I just did trial and error with several cuts on that edge there, but it worked. It worked nicely. There is a gap, which is fine, and that's what backsplash is for, right? And trim to make it fine. So I was gonna, original thought was using this as a spare bed if I had friends, fellow motorcyclists, or during work taking a nap, use a bed. Then I forgot I'm gonna cut it out for the sink, but I can still make something work. It all depends also where the faucet is gonna be cut in that hole. But there's plenty of space. I would just have to put something over this opening to make it happen. You know, someone to be able to lie on it, or the floor, or camp outside if I'm on an adventure travel. So that's what happens, right? Plenty of storage space on the bottom. Here's what I'm gonna be doing. That's the AC, Hisense AC. That's gonna move over there. I am gonna put a mini fridge here, 2 compartment, one for freezer, ice, and one for regular stuff. It's gonna fit nicely in there. I just have to cut that base opening, which is fine, and build up the size just perfect for that refrigerator. And I'll need to skirt. The AC is gonna move over at that side. I'll cut openings in the wall that I'll be building with cedar planks again. Cut an opening there to vent out, cool the rest. Originally I thought yesterday that I had built up 2x2 up here thinking that was going to be shower wall, but I am going to be installing something where that's going to be blocking it. So I'm merely going to lower it as far as the wall go, because for little privacy for the commode right here, I'm going to build a little wall about this height or so, mainly for the shower handle. Then off the shower handle, I'll do it 90, probably take the PEX tubing, run it up there to the shower head, put an eardrop and a shower head over there, and be utilizing curtains that be hung up on most likely stainless steel eye bolts. They'll be in the ceiling, and just merely hang the shower curtain when showering. Of course, got to get the wall too, can't get that wet, right? And when not in use, shower curtain can all go to one corner, and I'll be building a drop down table. That's where I'll be eating, dining, entertaining, who knows. So there'll be a drop down table right there. I've already put a base 2x2s along the sides of the shower pan. Those are expensive, doggone thing, relatively speaking. I think I spent like $160 for that small one. Anywho, I'll be securing that in the front as well, but before that, I gotta identify where the hole's gonna go for the shower drain. And this is prefab shower drain where it's already sloped. Okay, so that's going to be a 1.5 inch drain. I already bought the drain, can't think of the term for that right now, but the shower drain thing. Yeah, shower drain cap, top, whatever. So I'll need to drill a hole right there. Hopefully there's no metal framing down there, so I'll need to survey it, make sure that's gonna work out okay. Keeping my finger crossed. I didn't climb underneath to check on that, but I think it should work. So shower handle, mowing, rub bronze handle there, run it up here, and the shower handle over there, which is fine. Just need to get wet quick, soak down, turn off the water, of course, gotta conserve water, and rinse off quick as possible, because everything with water, you gotta be careful not to overuse it unnecessarily. And that's the same thing for washing dishes in here. I was thinking I may wash clothes in here as well, wash my hair, who knows. So this is moving relatively rapidly. My Max Air fans, 12 volt Max Air fans, just came in yesterday. I'm gonna hold off, do those later. I gotta get the main things done here, including install a couple more E-tracks, one on the bottom for the lower setting, just right above the 5-gallon water jerry canisters, to have a choice option of lowering all the way down with both motorcycles out, of course. Then I'm going to install on the floor to tie the bikes down, and equipment and tools, supplies that I pick up at Lowe's for work, because this is a work trailer, cargo trailer, but it's also, you know, that when I ever take off, able to take off from work, go on adventures. So that's it. Cheers, everybody. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and pass along the info. I greatly appreciate it. God bless.